Say hi, Max. Go play, Max. Go get it. You playing in the snow? Look at all that snow coming down. Don't eat it. Yeah, just don't eat the yellow snow. Max, you playing in the snow? Such a pretty boy. Come here, Max. Come here, Max. Come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Why are you looking at me like that? Come on. Come on, Max. Come on. Here, Max. Come here, Max. Come on. Get it. Silly. Come on, Max. You staying outside? You come inside? Here's our new computer. Yay! And there's my MySpace page. And here's Jaden in her jammies.
Would you excuse me? My mosquito associate here will be able to help you.
And there's Gavin sitting on the couch watching B-movie.
Hey, where am I? Where am I?
Huh?
Where am I?
Right here. Jade, what do you want to say?
This is hi.
Say hi, everybody.